What's going on, guys? This is NJTD Elevator Lover 2020 and NJ Transit Guy 618 here. And today we're going to be riding the special elevators right over here. We are at the Gateway Parking Garage inside New Jersey here, right where Rutgers University campus is. And then I'm going to be riding one of those. Alright, so here we go. Stay tuned for this. Here it is.
Going up.
Keep right there. Go 10. And here we go. We're going to peek at the window here. Alright, here we are at 10. But it is restricted in here.
Going down.
Go, Gene. Door closed button works. Here we go.
Ground floor. Going up.
Here we go again. I'm gonna end this video at 5. Take a look at this camp real quick. Very cool elevator here.
Fifth floor.
Alright guys, so thank you for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video once I return. So goodbye everybody.